having some trouble with that one, huh?
No.
Oh my.
Chocolate! Chocolate!
That's a good chocolate bar.
But I think it's a chocolate.
Looks yummy.
But I think it's a chocolate ticket.
Oh, you think it's a golden ticket?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Look and see. Did you win? Nope.
Not a golden ticket.
But it's a good chocolate bar. Take a bite. Mmm.
Can you go say